though, right, here we go. This is absolutely so cool. As if there's actually a derelict factory like this. Oh wow. Guys, check out this. Got machinery as soon as you walk in. This place is absolutely huge. Look at the scale of it. Got some machinery right the way here, Lindy. Wow. Even more machinery right around the corner. Got Cat. EB200. Wow, the lockers. Goes further to the back. So just coming further down, there is even more stuff into here. Got boxes of some kind right away to the back, acid lining material. Oh, the height of the ceiling, especially with the sunlight coming right away through, is really so cool. Got a control room right away to the back. What is this? It says here, molten metal, risk to life. You've got all the control panels. Walking right away in. This is an absolute time capsule of a factory. Got all the control panels right away here. It says on there, furnace, rising, lowering. Even the clock is still ticking. Right, got more control panels on the corner. Got goggles as well. Right, let's head back out. Got more to explore. But you can just see. So is this some sort of old furnace maybe? Oh, that goes right away to the bottom. But you see, I think this place is in the process of being demolished. You can see parts of the place is already starting to be stripped out. You even got some stuff over there. It says waste, sand and shell. Right away to the back where we just come in. Might show you that way on the way back out. But you see all the wires leading all the way up. Look at all that. Got a worker's glove. Wow, there's a lot of workers' gloves on the floor, just where the sand is. Look at all this sand. Look at all that. This is really sketchy. Look down here. So I think it does go right away to the back. What is down here? I'm going to be a bit careful. That is one big massive drop right away to the bottom. It's some sort of big machinery right away down there. That is crazy. So what does it say here? It says ear protection must be worn, helmet, health and safety, care point. Got a sign right away there. Wow, even some of the old shovels, check out these. Those are definitely old shovels, you can just tell by the handles. Oh, here we go. Everything is completely been left behind. We've got some WD-40, endless bottles in there. All the food's all been left behind. Food, what's the food date back to? Got all the flies in there. Oh, that is really horrible. All the cups. It's so much stuff. Even all the workers' bags from the last shift all been left behind. Wow, got an old radio, Genus. I'm just trying to find some dates for you guys for 2024, 2019 on there. Even on that one, it's got 2023 on a date. This is mad. Right, back out we go.
I've never been in a place. When you're filming the wrong way, what are you doing? I've never been in a place that's abandoned and. If only this. Nah.
The phones don't work.
The phone's working.
No way.
Should we phone now? How is that possible?
Oh, look at that lunchbox.
We can even charge our lights if they're dead.
No chance.
We've got a light charger there, USBs and everything. Yeah, we can plug in. What's this? Oh, me now. What are these?
What's in there?
Special keys for Summit. There's power button locks. The computers are here. Here on calendar. 2023. It's on June.
The fridge is on.
Strange. There ain't an angle grinder in there. Yeah, I was going to say. If people get in here and see this place, don't. It's just. It's unbelievable. Machine shop.
Check out
You don't
this.
even need the lights, people.
Wow, this is insane.
This is almost as if somebody's got to come back and do some work. There's no way these work.
No way. That's insane, Dill.
How?
All these.
Look at the spanner.
Oh wow. It's a huge one.
King Dick.
Oh yeah.
This is unreal.
All the piping as well, just onto there. Everything. Wow, it's in the mask. It's one of them welding masks.
Everything's full.
Bolts in there.
Look at these.
Bits and pieces.
It's unbelievable. Kids are messing around over there.
Yeah, there's some kids coming.
You've got to go in.
Got a calculator in there. Little bits and pieces. Wow. What's around this corner? Wow, it's all the wires. You can just see all the electric wires going all the way up. You can just hear something behind there. I think it's actually a fire alarm. Wow, all the machines. Oh wow. You can just see the microwaves even now. It's actually on, working. Look at all this. Microwave, that's really dirty. So much for the stuff. Toasters. Oh wow, even the toaster's working. Stuff in the dispensers.
Drills working. Everything works in this abandoned factory.
They're expensive, I use them at work.
These tools.
Look at them 9-inch angle grinders.
It's insane.
My God, there's no way they've left all this.
Yeah. Just
And all
money's
this is
worth.
going to get flattened. I mean, look at that.
Oh wow.
If I could save that, I would. But you've got to...
Check out this, guys. But look at this for a machine. Tapping and clearance drill sizes. This is a big drill. You see all the shavings right around to there.
Probably at home here. I bet it'll drill. No, I'll just drill it.
It works. Oh wow. You can just see we've got all the stuff here. What's in these? It's full of different kinds of screws, bulldog clips. There's various different things in here. Fibre washers. Pins in there. Wow.
Look at the little sign.
Danger. You can just see Colchester Triumph 2000, that machine's called. So right, you can just see the scale of the factory as we get even further up. So I think there is a way to get further up that way, so I'm trying to find a way to get up there. Oh wow. So we're into another section. There's the tunnels, something leading down.
How do we get down there?
Sections down here.
Oh, there's the control room for the crane.
Oh wow.
Where? Crane.
Have you seen that big crane over there?
So basically what would happen is, this here, lorries would back up with all your scrap metal that's just been processed in the scrap yards, dump it here, gets picked up by the magnet, will go onto carts on here, which then would go into the furnaces to be melted and then forged into a crankshaft. Oh, the control panel's there for them. Oh, we've got to go and see.
I want to get down there.
Yeah, all in good time.
So right, we're going to go and double check where this fire exit goes on the corner. So here we go, we're going on to the very lower floor, so there is some more units right away down the back. We've got laboratories. Oh wow, we've got to check out the labs in a bit. Let's go and see what's down here. I thought there was a bottom floor originally. I tried to find it earlier on. Here it is. Wow, this is crazy. This keeps on going. Big gas tanks. Got something there. Furnace, water, manifold, insulation. There's something in there under the bubble wrap. Bits and pieces in there, screw things. Wow, just gonna spend hours looking at every bit of detail within this factory. Big massive piece of rope underneath. Wow, let's go and see what's further down. But I think there is more. So it just keeps on going down this way. It's full of stuff down here. Various other furnace stuff, furnace coils, fittings. So I'm not sure if you can see them there. But you can just see how long it's been derelict because of all the bottom layer is flooded. This is cool. Got some more stuff there. I'm interested to see what's on the left. Oh wow. Gotta see this. The lights turn on. Got a control unit. Let's have a look what's inside it. And you see all the little control units into here. And inside there, once more, we'll roll around and go and show the other bits. Oh, days, it goes even further. So here we go, here's the back end of it. Drop it in the comments and what you think this is for. I mean, I have no idea on half of this stuff, but I'll tell you what, it's just so interesting to look at. I've just found onto the bottom of these wires, it says onto there, so it's Sheffield, England. Oh wow, what is this bit? Furnace 4. turn on. Yep. Here we go. So this is actually one of the furnace rooms. You can just see all the bricks, what they put for the furnace right away here. You see the bricks coming out. So this is right away underneath it. So there we go. This is actually one of the little bit of furnaces just onto the bottom. Check out the scale of this. I think with this place, especially with the electric on, it just feels like the workers are going to enter the building at any minute. But they're not. It's been left for quite a while. And you see all the little bits of furnace stuff right the way at the top. Got some stuff onto the corner here. And you see all the far back brick walls onto this area. So there is another furnace room. So if we just turn the light off. This is furnace 3. Wow, they're more different. What's this one like underneath? Oh, this is the bottom end of the furnace. It just really makes you wonder what round oak steelworks was like. Was it the same as this? You just see the top end of the furnace, how big it really is, and then you've got the bottom bit here. That is cool to see that, you can see all this stuff. It just really gives a vibe of a big steelwork unit.
This is what controls all the furnaces. Literally. The beeping's got a bit of fire alarm, low tie.
Places alarms.
Security, but they're all faulty because they've been cut. So at least we know the alarm ain't going to go off its data.
Wow.
The whole company's gone, eh?
It's gone, but
Even though the servers are working.
My God, you want a computer? That's the most powerful computer you can probably buy. I wouldn't. I've got everything on there. It's been switched off anyway.
but I want to get one of that one. How's back up here?
Is it abandoned?
The office is. Oh wow. This is cool. It's a microscope. It's got Nikon lenses. And we've got another room here. So this is actually another office. There's quite a lot of stuff onto it. Even got a load of charts. I mean, all this just left. It's money's worth, isn't it?
It's just crazy.
Machines, computers, you name it, it's all here.
It's all working.
It's just mind blowing to
What is
see everything intact and not even touched. It's like you said, it feels like the workers are going to come back in the factory at any minute.
Yeah.
It's been left the way it has since the workers left on their very last shift. It's just got everything. There's even more laboratories down another floor. Oh wow, Jules, you have seen this? Come here. Do you know these chutes? To put stuff in the chutes, they open that and it sends it up and it leads into another room. So right, here we go, the laboratories. Let's see if this is actually really open. Oh, here we go. Ah, little laboratory unit.
Oh, this is just. Oh. Look at these. Harnesses.
Wow.
Them are good for going down the mines in Wales.
Look at all this stuff. It's just absolutely
Man, to flatten this, I'd love to
rammed. It's just completely full Even got the ladders to go up to the sections to pick the things out. It's got everything, lamps, you can see right away into there, we've got bulbs. Even got stuff in here, fuses. Try and open one to show you. Fuses. Tons in there. Oh wow. Even in there, it's just full of tools in this little bit. What's going to happen to this when it goes, you know, demolished? Where's it all going to go?
Waste in these places when they knock them down. All this is wasted resources that somebody else could use.
I know, it's just WD-40, there's everything.
I could bloody use it in my garage. Yeah, that's full. I've never been to anywhere where it's just full. For this.
So Jules has found a big pair of bolt croppers.
They're heavy
The size
as well.
of them,
They're
proper
really heavy.
industrial.
Shine.
I know.
It's just a factory dream place. This
It's
is.
your visa to there.
If you're into your factory stuff, then this is the place.
Imagine charging your phone on there.
We could. That'll jumpstart a lorry.
So right, just before my camera battery dies and we resume back to the other explore, I'm going to show you the laboratory room. You see right away through, we've got even more stuff. Got this thing that comes all the way out. And even onto here, we've got some various other things. Got this. Even got acetone right away into there in the cupboard. Shovels. It's just full of stuff.
Oh, look at this. So this is what they'd make. This is a crankshaft.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks like it's out for a lorry engine, a big diesel. Yeah, cast look. This was the last thing that we worked on in here and it never got finished. There's the end of it, look. Where they cut it from. That would have been on the end. In stuff, I reckon, like samples.
Yeah. Got other stuff on there.
Spare saw blade.
You see there, pattern shop. This really does remind me of the other one, the Shakespeare factory. Coming all the way through, this is just really taking it back in time with the machines. All the things, what I'm hanging on the ceiling. You can just see these style of hooks. That is really cool. 500 kg. We've even got all the old photos of all the machinery right at the top with some workers actually using them. And into here you can just see how far this really does date back. Opening the cupboard, look at all the dust what's accumulated in all the tools, all the various bits and pieces. The layer of dust in here is really crazy. Look at all this stuff. Parts in here what may never be used again. Bags full of stuff into there. But that's cool, seeing the door, we've got some stuff written right around to the corner. If we just carefully roll around, there's even another clock ticking. I just love these hooks in the ceiling. There's like little winches. Look at the size of that thing. Just imagine what this has been lifting in the past, all the heavy stuff. This locker room really does date back. So this is actually where some of the workers actually stored some of their stuff into here. Within all the lockers, you can just see all the various different names onto there. And this is actually the shower units right away at the back. Just rolling all the way around, just trying to cover as much as I can. Even that clock is actually still ticking. It says there, please keep tidy. Something about there, messy. Had to do something on the corner, but I can't see what he says. It's faded out over time, so that could be really old writing on the wall. Right, here we go, back out into the factory. Wow. You see production notices, company notices. Look at these toilets. These have not been cleaned in a long time. So right, this is actually the further back workings of the place. You just see this keeps on extending. Audit area, so this is actually where they audit some of the materials. Quarantine area. It just extends even further down. And there we go. I think that is about as much as the place covered within the time that I've got to show you. But I'll tell you what an awesome explore this is. I've not even finished yet, I've still got a little bits and pieces to show you. We've got machines just right around to the corner. Wow, it's awesome to see some of these old machines though for factories. Even further down we've got even more stuff. Tons of fire extinguishers. So that's about it for the explore. Hope you've really enjoyed this one. It's cool going around as much as the factory as I possibly could within the amount of time I had. It was really amazing to see some of the items, the way they've been left behind. It's just really mind blowing. And what was cool about it is there was no brick wall to enter the factory. You could just walk right away in and just explore it. I went a few days ago to see if it has actually been sealed, and yes, you can't get in there no more. They put fencing all the way across it and put a couple of shipping containers, so you can't enter there no more. But what an explore. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll definitely see you soon. The Midlands Outdoors out.